Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Strengthen English. Today we are going to learn the second part of present perfect and past simple. Real education should consist of drawing the goodness, the best out of our own students. Dear students, let us learn English today in order to achieve our dreams, goals, aspirations, the profession what we want to have in our life. Students, to learn English effectively, Strengthen English will help you. So therefore, let us learn English and earn knowledge because English is for life. After watching the video, you can put forth your comments. If you really like the video, you can like it. And after that, you can share this video to your friends, relatives, students, teachers, anyone. And then kindly do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and then you can invite your friends, everyone, to subscribe to this channel, so therefore we can reach out to everyone who are in need of learning. Students, today we are going to understand the second part of present perfect and past simple. So today we are going to understand what is the difference between the usage of present perfect and past tense. So first we need to know the usage. So first usage is, do not use the present perfect when you talk about a finished time. For example, yesterday, 10 minutes ago in 1999, when I was a child. So understand once again, do not use the present perfect when you talk about a finished time. For example, yesterday, 10 minutes ago in 1999, when I was a child. Use a past tense. For example, it was very cold yesterday. Paul and Lucy arrived 10 minutes ago. Did you eat a lot of sweets when you were a child? I got home late last night. I was very tired and went straight to bed. Now, use the past to ask when or what time. When did your friends arrive? What time did you finish work? Now here you can compare. You can compare present perfect and past simple. Tom has lost his key. He can't get into the house. Whereas in simple past you can say Tom lost his key yesterday. He couldn't get into the house. You see, you can understand the difference between the usage of present perfect as well as the past simple. Secondly, is Carla here or has she left? When did Carla leave? So here you can understand the difference between the usage of present perfect and past simple. Students, present perfect and past simple. Here we are going to have comparative study. Present perfect. For example, I have done a lot of work today. What does it mean? We use the present perfect for a period of time that continues until now. Okay, you can look at the picture. Beautifully it is given. We use the present perfect for a period of time that continues until now. For example, today, this week, since 1985. For example, you see, from past until now. Today, we're talking about which is now, which is unfinished. That is why the action perhaps started in the past, the effect is still there. It is considered to be unfinished. For example, today, this week since 1985. Whereas in simple past, we say, I did a lot of work yesterday. We use the past simple for a finished time in the past. For unfinished time, we use present perfect in simple understanding. For finished time, we use past tense. Okay, we understand the example. Okay, students, you can understand the example perfectly. We use the past simple for finished time in the past. For example, yesterday, last week, from 1995 to 2001. You see, past, and then you have yesterday, and then now. The time you can see. The action finished in the past. What was the past? When was the past? Yesterday, over. For example, students, here we have two tables. Here you can understand perfectly. It hasn't rained this week. It didn't rain last week. Have you seen Anna this morning? Which means what? It is still morning. Did you see Anna this morning? It is now afternoon or evening. Have you seen Tim recently? Did you see Tim on Sunday? I don't know where Lisa is. I haven't seen her. Which means what? I haven't seen her recently. Was Lisa at the party on Sunday? I don't think so. I didn't see her. We're waiting for an hour. Which means what? We are still waiting now. We are still waiting now. Whereas we waited for an hour. Which means we are no longer waiting. The first column you have present perfect. The second column you have past simple. Land lives in London. He has lived there for 7 years. Land lived in Scotland for 10 years. Now he lives in London. I have never played golf. I didn't play golf last summer. It is the last day of your holiday. You say, it has been a really good holiday. I really enjoyed it. The past you can understand. After you come back from holiday, you say, it was a really good holiday. I really enjoyed it. Students, it is time for exercise. Are you ready? I believe that you all have understood the second part of the present perfect, then the past simple. Students, here your exercise. 14.1. Are the underlined parts of these sentences right or wrong? Correct them where necessary. So here you are given the questions. You need to understand it. If it is correct, you can write OK. If it is not correct, then you need to find out where it is wrong. Accordingly, you need to write. Okay, students? Students, here you have 14.2. Make sentences from the words in brackets. Use the present perfect or past simple. So here sometimes here the words are in a jumbled form. It is not in proper order. So you need to understand that you need to make this meaningful sentence. So therefore you can make use of these words in order to make a meaningful sentence. Students, here you have 14.3. Students, here you have 14.3. Put the verb into the correct form. Present perfect or past simple. Okay, you can read the sentences and understand it accordingly. You can write. Student, this is something very interesting because write sentences about yourself using the ideas in brackets. So therefore, it is very interesting. You can write about yourself. For example, something you haven't done today. I haven't eaten any fruit today. Okay, you can say I have done my homework today. So anything which you have not done it today, you can write it. The same way, other sentence also. Students, I believe that you all have completed your exercise. Now it's time to check the answers. Those question writing, you can complete it quickly. Once you complete with that, then we can go to check the answers. Yes, students, now let us proceed. Students, here you have answers. 14.1, 14.2, 14.3, 14.4. At times you wonder why the answers are put it here and there. Why the answers have been put here and there. At least you can give work for your eyes to observe, to find out where are the answers. So in that way it has been put, in that way this has been put up. So therefore the skill of observation grows within us. I believe students, you all have written well. Day by day the competition within us growing, enhancing every day. Very happy. At times, in case if you have made any mistake, no problem. You can always learn it, because learning takes place when we fail to attempt. There is a sense of awareness grows within us. So when you make mistake, make sure that you correct it, rewrite it. So therefore, this will not be repeated in the future. Yes, students, we believe that it is all about the future. Therefore, let us need to work effectively, efficiently in present. Okay, to achieve our dreams, to be a winner, to gain knowledge, okay, to be successful in life, to be happy in life. Okay, so we need English. So therefore, it is all about the future. At the same time, dear students, always ask yourself, whatever you are learning in this class, always ask yourself, do you speak English? Okay, I believe that all of you have started talking in English, but still at times when we try to talk in our mother tongue, okay, with our friends, students, teachers, and then relatives who are there, those who know English well, so we try to talk to them in English. So therefore we grow, we enhance our knowledge, our skill in gaining confidence to speak in English, because education is a passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. Okay, with that attitude, let us all prepare ourselves to communicate our own knowledge, wisdom, experiences to the entire world by enhancing ourselves in English language. Thank you, students. Thank you so much for attending and learning. We always believe that formal education will make your living, self-education will make your fortune. So therefore, let us create the best fortune in our life. At the same time, after watching the video, you can put forth your comments. If you like it, you can click the like icon. And then you can subscribe to this channel. You can share this particular video and channel with your friends. So therefore, we create a platform. We create a platform for everyone who wants to learn and grow in English. Thank you so much, students. God bless everyone.